That furry guy, you know.
This oven works whenever it wants to. Right now it's kind of warm. They say some days it doesn't get hot. They said they replaced the thermostat, the door switch, and the door seal, and that didn't fix it. So we're looking here. That don't look like a new thermostat. Nothing in here looks new, actually. I don't think they replaced anything. Look at the temperature sensor. What do you think is going to happen if these short out to the ground or whatever? What happens if I twist these together right here? Won't do anything now. It even has a safety switch right here. If you don't push that down, it won't do anything.
You gonna be able to get it fixed?
I don't know. So, those shorted. It thinks it's hot. It won't heat. Well, this wire's pretty trashed all the way back. The thermistor might be fine. So I've wrapped the wires in electrical tape. See? Now they're not naked anymore. So just plug them back in where they do and we'll see what happens. Look at that, it scrapes against this edge as it goes into the oven. That's how they got all fucked up. Maybe that'll work better. Wow, dude, excellent design, I gotta say. Yeah, that seems to work pretty well. Reflection down there almost looks like another flame, doesn't it? That's pretty cool. I think this oven's fixed now. I think that's all it was. I think the maintenance guy lied to him. Told him to replace stuff and he didn't replace anything. He didn't even notice that totally obvious wire. Yeah, seems legit. Oh yeah, new sensor, blardy blar. You know, they probably don't actually need that new sensor. They probably use this oven for the next 10 years like this. So I guess if that doesn't work out, we'll get a new sensor.